Hi everyone, welcome to Research MD. This is Dr. Pramil. I work as a Chief Medical Officer in the United States, also an assistant, actually associate professor of medicine in one of the large medical schools in the United States. So today we're going to do a product review from the doctor's standpoint, actually from a Chief Medical Officer standpoint, which COVID testing kit you should buy. Okay, we found this on Amazon. We're going to do a product review. This is one of the best-selling kits in the United States or in the world. It's called iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test approved by FDA. Can you see that? Okay, so self-test at home, result in 15 minutes is the key. All right, so I'm just going to open up, see what do we have. We have a solution right here. We got a swab, and then we got one of this thing, and then you have some instruction right here. Make sure before we do anything, the first thing I always do is wash my hand with the soap and water and dry it, okay? And then what we just, you can kind of read through. It's very simple. We're going to tell you how to do this. To make it simple for you. But the first thing you do is you can easily open this right here. And then you take it out and you put it up here. You see this? Okay. Now you got some marking, you got C, T, and all of that, which we'll talk about later. So you have a solution right here. And you got three things. This is the one you're going to find. One, this is the actual testing apparatus. Okay, so we can kind of go through this, like what happens. You put like 3 drops on the side of this. Okay, 3 drops in here, and then you see the C and T right here. Can you see that? So if it is positive, we're going to see like 2 dark lines, one on C, one on T. There's 2 dark lines you can see. That means it's positive. Okay. Now you see only one line at C, kind of going on the C side, only one. That means you don't have COVID. Okay. If you have COVID, remember 2 of them, 2 lines, 2 dark lines kind of appear. And if you don't have COVID, only the C one is positive. So only one line at C. Let's say you have a T. Remember, you have another one right here, T, only that comes as a one line. That means that's an error. That means you throw it out and do another testing. Got it? Okay, again, remember. So you take this, you put 3 drops up here, which will show you how to do it. And it's very important. It's the most important thing. You got some marking up here. One is C, one is T. You look at the C, and if you see only one line, that's what we are expecting, right? If you don't have COVID, on the C, you will see a vertical line, a dark vertical line on C, that means you don't have COVID. Let's say you got dark line on C, dark line on T, that is what positive, okay? Let's say you see a dark line on T, T as in Tom, that's like test is, you cannot accept that test, throw it out. Right? So let's see what we need to do up here. So I'm just going to look at the solution. There's some solution right here. Okay, got some solution right there. And we'll put it back. And then also understand there is something at the, you take the cap, so because you have to take a drop and put it in that 3 drops. That's why. So for the top one is for the drop. The first one you have to do, take it off like this. Got it? So you just gotta put it back. Next thing, I'm gonna take this swab right here. Now, it's a technique for use it. Now, you just put it in like 3 centimeter, right? You make it parallel to your nose, and you stick it in up to like 3 centimeters. Don't stick it in like all the way. I see some people doing it. Don't do that. You don't have to like stick it up and then you have to ask an ENT doctor to pull it out. Don't do that. Just like 3 centimeter, right? So you go into 3 centimeter, kind of parallel right here, and then you rotate 3 times clockwise. 1, 2, 3. And then you keep it there, you do anti-clockwise rotation. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So 3 centimeter, make it parallel. Okay? I think it's almost 3 centimeter. I'm going to do 1 rotation, 2 rotation clockwise, 3 rotation clockwise. Okay? Then I'm going to do 3 rotation anti-clockwise. 1, 2, and 3. Some people can sneeze and all. You take it out, you put it up here. You open the middle, okay, there's 2 opening there, and you put it there, and you do 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and a 15. Okay, then you take it out. Then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this cap back up here and close it to make sure, right? And then there's a one cap on top of this white thing. I just kind of take it off right here. Okay, now I want 3 drops of this, remember? So I'm going to put 1, 2, and 3 right there. I'm going to leave it up here. Remember, on the test, 15 minutes. Make sure you wait for 15 minutes right here. Very clear. Your results in 15 minutes. You're not going to get in 1 minute or 2 minutes. So you wait 15 minutes. We'll come back when the results come back. Okay?
Start.
So it's 15 minutes. And you see the change, right? So, do I have COVID? Anybody? No, I don't. The reason for that, you look at the line right here, that's on the C, right? You got 1 line on C, that means I don't have COVID, okay? If it is positive, you got 2. 2 for positive, 1 for negative, my friend, okay? So that's what it is. So what you can also just open this up, and then clearly, if you look at right here, see how it is to interpret the result. That's all you need to know right here. Okay, I'm going to put it close to the camera. 2 lines positive. If it is 1 line on C, vertical line, that means you don't have COVID. If you got 1 line on that place T, throw that out and do it again. Again, thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. We definitely need your support to do more videos like this. Please hit like button, share, and subscribe. And there is a link for Amazon is given in the description below. If you're planning to buy, please use that link to buy this amazing COVID test kit so you can protect yourself, and it will also help us. Thank you so much. God bless.